Hey everyone, Namaste and welcome to another problem solving session at Master DSA. So let's see what today's problem says. Binary array sorting. Okay. Now what does binary array mean? Means the array which contains only zeros and ones. Let's look at example number 1. So number of input is 5. Array contains element like in order 1 0 1 1 0 and you have to give output something like this in the increasing order 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, so simply what general thought comes into our head, we can sort the array, right? Arrays dot sort lagao, array ko sort kar do and you are good to go. Okay, this is the simplest thing that we can do, right? And your array will be sorted. Okay, but here they are asking something else from you. Okay, this code will work, don't worry. Okay, look, this will work, but they are asking something else. What they are asking, they are expecting from you something time complexity of big of n and space complexity of big of 1. So now think how we can do in that particular time complexity. So any guesses? No issue. Caution को देखते हैं कि we can improve the time complexity or not. Okay, suppose हमको पता ही नहीं कि what is called arrays dot sort, उस केस में हम क्या करते हैं? So let's try to figure it out. Okay, now look at the question. Look at example number 1. It is mentioned something like 1 0 1 1 1 and in the output we can see it is 0 0 and rest is filled up with 1. Okay, so suppose bro, if numbers are going to be only 0 and 1, can't we keep count of that? क्या हम इसको गिन के नहीं रख सकते हैं कि भाई 0 कितने टाइम है और 1 कितने टाइम है? If 0 are 2 times, bro, एक काम करो, zeros को आगे पुट कर दो 2 बार. If 1 is 3 times, rest जो भी बचा 0 के बाद उसको fill कर दो. Can we do something like that? Okay, so that's what the approach is. Let's look at the first approach. So we will be keeping the count of zeros in the array. Then we will fill first 0 count element with 0. Okay, then we will fill the rest with 1. Okay, you didn't get it? No worry, I will dry run it also. Let's code it first. Okay, so for int I equal to 0 I less than n I plus plus. Now let's keep a count of 0. If if a of I, I'll get one error. Let's keep it small. Okay. If a of I equal to 0, so what we will do? We will simply increase the count. But I have not mentioned the 0 count. Initially, I am declaring and initializing it with 0 only. Okay. Okay. So if a of I equal to 0, so what I will do? I will simply increase the count zero count, right? Okay. So इस कोड के बाद we will be having the count of 0, counting 0 in the array. Got it? Okay. Now what is the next task? Next हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अब मैंने कहा था अब 0 गिन ले, अब 0 को fill कर दो. How we will do that? देखो. So I will now fill zeros in the array. Okay, कैसे करेंगे? Look, int I equal to 0, I less than, till where we will go. हमें 0 fill करने हैं, जितने टाइम 0 तो हम कहाँ तक जाएंगे? जो भी हमारा 0 का काउंट है, till there only we will go, right? मतलब 0 से स्टार्ट करके हमें 0 भरना है. So 0 कितने टाइम भरने हैं? जितना 0 का काउंट होगा, right? Okay. So 0 count and I plus plus. Okay, so after this loop we will be having so simply a of I equal to 0. so इसके बाद हमारा एरे क्या होगा, 0 से फिल हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द रेस्ट, I have to fill 1 also, no? So what I will do for that, just think of it. I will simply do something like for int I equal to, अब देखो मैंने सपोज यहाँ तक तो 0 फिल कर दिया, अब मेरे को 1 फिल करना है. So how will I do that, and from where I will start my loop? So buddy, it is nothing but I will start my loop from 0 count. Oh, where is my cursor? Yeah. So I will start my I index from 0 count and till where I will go, till less than n, correct? And I will simply increase I, and this is how I'll be initializing every index in the array with 1 also. Not every, means the rest only. Okay, so a of I equal to what? Now I will be initializing 1 with 1 only. Okay, so now my array will look something like this after this loop. Okay, so I think you got my point, what I just wanted to say. Okay, so here count 0 in the array. Okay, I have counted 0 in the array, fill zeros in the array. Okay, and here filled rest of the array with 1. Okay, I hope you get it. Let's try to run it. Okay, let's try to run it, that whether it works or not. उड़ी बाबा चलेगा कि नहीं, चल गया. Okay, let's try to submit it. Come on. It will work, don't worry, it will work. Oh, come on, don't. I think there is some network error. It got submitted, right? Okay, so I hope you get this problem, right? This was damn easy solution. It will give you the time complexity of big O of n without using any extra space. Okay, but here we are only using 3 loops, so that will be there will be the time complexity of big O of 3n, you could say, but we just discard the constant and we will just take the whole n only. So the time complexity will be of big O of n and space complexity will be of big O of 1. I hope you get the solution, but there's one more approach, and I will request you to go my repository. I will be just explaining you the approach, which is very simple. Don't worry, we will simply use 2 pointers, left and right. Okay, while left pointer is less than right pointer, we will be just iterating over the array. And suppose ओके, एक पॉइंटर मैंने यहाँ लिया, एक पॉइंटर मैंने यहाँ लिया. ओके, एंड जब तक दोनों एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं कर जाते तब तक आप स्वैप करते रहो. आप स्वैप कब करेंगे, जब लेफ्ट साइड में 1 है, सो वी विल स्वैप, एंड इफ राइट साइड में क्या है, 0 है, देन ओनली वी विल स्वैप द वैल्यूज. ओके, सो ऐसे में क्या होगा, सपोज यहाँ पे देखो 1 है एंड यहाँ पे 0 है, सो वी विल स्वैप द वैल्यू. सो इट विल लुक समथिंग लाइक 0 हियर एंड 1 विल बी हियर. देन यहाँ पे 0 है, वी विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग, वी विल जस्ट कंटिन्यू. अब यहाँ पे 1 है लेफ्ट साइड में, वी हैव टू स्वैप इट. कैसे करेंगे, बट हमारा लुक तो खत्म हो जाएगा ना. सो आर एरे विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, कैसा है देखो, अब लेफ्ट इज 0, देन इंक्रीमेंट लेफ्ट. ओके, जैसे अब यहाँ पे 0 था, सो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, आई डिड नथिंग, राइट. सो मैंने सिंपली क्या किया, अपने लेफ्ट को मूव कर दिया. अब यहाँ पे 1 था, सो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, आई सिंपली मूव माई 1 टू दिस. ओके, अब नाउ लेफ्ट एंड राइट बोथ आर एट सेम पॉइंट, सो लूप विल बी terminated. Okay, so here is the solution on my GitHub repository. I hope you will definitely look into it, and if there's any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. We are always open for your feedback. And you can also fork this repository. You can pull up the, means you can give me a pull request, I will accept it, and you can even make correction in this code if you want. Okay, so do contribute यार, open source contribution भी हो जाएगा इसी बहाने तुम लोगों का. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.